ন্যাশনাল লেভেল সেমিনারে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের বলছি সেটা মেনটেন করবে। হলের মধ্যে বসে নিজেদের মধ্যে কোনো ধরনের কথাবার্তা বলা যাবে না।
We welcome all our distinguished guests of honor, honorable principals, chief guests, honorable speakers, and chairpersons of different technical sessions, participants from different colleges and universities across the country, students and non-teaching staff of our college. This opening session of UGC-sponsored national level seminar on social security versus human rights in India and intersection, organized by the Department of Political Science in association with the Departments of Economics, History and Literature, Ramananda College, Vishnupur.
Vishnupur, the temple town of Bengal, is endowed so far with Ramananda College, a premier co-educational college and center for higher education. Ramananda College has been serving as the alma mater of thousands of students for more than half a century. We are proud and delighted to have the privilege of hosting a seminar of national importance at our college. We also feel honored to welcome such luminaries in their own field to this grand intellectual phase. Without much ado, we would like to welcome our esteemed guests assembled here and let the seminar start its proceedings. We will welcome our esteemed guests with a bouquet of flowers, seminar tea and ustorio. I will request Shakuntala Ma, a student of human rights, to welcome Dr. Shorit Kumar Sadhu, Honorable Professor, Department of Law, University of Burma, with a bouquet of flowers and seminar tea.
I would like to request Honorable Dr. Arun Kumar Mishra, Principal of Ramananda College and President of the Organizing Committee UGC-sponsored seminar, to welcome Honorable Dr. Shorit Kumar Sadhu with ustorio.
A student of human rights, to welcome Sri Sushantu Chakraborty, Honorable SGO Vishnupur, with a bouquet of flowers and seminar tea. I would like to request Honorable Principal to
to welcome Honorable Sri Sushanta Chakraborty with Uttorio.
Now I request Shimli Chakraborty, a student from Department of Bengali, to welcome Sri Kapur Kumar Ghosh, Honorable Member of the Legislative Assembly, Vishnupur, with a bouquet of flowers and signatures.
I would like to request Honorable Principal to welcome Honorable Swapun Kumar Ghosh with Uttorio.
Now, I would like to request Amita Banerjee, a student from Department of Bengali, to welcome Dr. Dev Narayan Modak, Honorable Professor of Political Science and Director, School of Humanities and Social Sciences, regarding to request Shukti Bojumdar, a student of Human Rights, to welcome Ms. Dr. A.K. Padhi, Honorable Assistant Professor, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Central University, Lucknow, with a bouquet of flowers and signatures.
I would like to request Honorable Principal to welcome Honorable Dr. M.K. Padhi with Uttorio.
Now, I will request Shaturupa Mal, a student of Human Rights, to welcome Dr. Gajendra Kumar Parida, Reader, Department of Political Science, Udala College, Mayurbhanj, Odisha, with a bouquet of flowers and signatures.
I would like to request Honorable Principal to welcome Honorable Dr. Padhi Bhadia with Uttorio.
Now, I request Amita Banerjee, a student from the Department of Bengali, to welcome Dr. Arun Kumar Mishra, Principal, Ramananda College, and President of the Organizing Committee, UGC sponsored seminar, with a bouquet of flowers and signatures.
I would like to request Honorable Professor Shiv Das Karmakar to welcome Dr. Arun Mishra to the studio.
Now, I'd like to request Shukti Majumdar, a student of Human Rights, to welcome Professor Ashok Kumar Bhui, our Honorable Chief Guest, Department of English, University of Burdwan, with a bouquet of flowers and signatures.
I would like to request Honorable Principal to welcome Honorable Professor Ashok Kumar Bhui with Uttorio.
Now I would like to request Department of Law, University of Bardhan, to light the inaugural lamp.
Thank you, sir.
I now the dignitaries to come to the dais again.
Gopitape to present the inaugural psalm accompanied Babla Johnstone Band.
Principal, Ramananda College, and President of the Organizing Committee, UGC sponsored seminar to deliver the welcome address for this seminar.
Good morning to everybody. Honorable dignitaries in the dais, participants, honorable professors of Ramananda College, non-teaching staff and students. I, on behalf of this college, specifically want to welcome the persons who are in the dais, namely Dr. Sharif Kumar Sadhu, Professor of Law, Harvard University, Sri Sushanta Chakraborty, HCO Vishnupur, and also the President of Governing Body of our college, Devnarayana Modak, Professor of Political Science and Director, School of Humanities and Social Sciences, Netaji Subhash Open University, Kolkata, Professor Ashok Bhui, Department of English, Bardhaman University, Dr. M.A. Padi, Associate Professor, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Baba Saheb Ambedkar University, Dr. Rajendra Kumar Parida, Department of Health Science, Uttara College, Mayurganj, Odisha. I welcome them from our college. Actually, the seminar has been organized by the Financial Help received from University Grant Commission, New Delhi. I convey my gratitude, sincere gratitude to the University Grant Commission on behalf of this college. I also convey my sincere gratitude to the participants who have come from remote places and also the resource persons to come here and for taking trouble of journey. I hope that this seminar will become a success one. You all know that we have organized this seminar on the understanding that this is a most important topic which are talked about nowadays, and as human rights are now supposed to be violated in various places, we have also the motive to disseminate the speech of our erudite speakers not only to the participants but also to the distant places through them, so that public awareness is possible. You know that human right is the right which is actually acquired by any human being during his birth, but we are much concerned about ourselves for preservation of such rights, neglecting the rights of others. So, unless there is any harmony in the human being, unless we look the interest and rights of others, the human rights will be at stake. It is argued that forest dwellers should give the rights of the forest. I don't know what extent the right should be given to them. Does it mean that they have the freedom to destroy the forest, to encourage youth cultivation by destroying forest? Do we encourage them to kill the animals? Most probably not. I don't know whether there is any such legal procedure that would be followed prior to giving such right. You know now that human rights Right to Information Act is one of the most discussed topics which is being used by most of the people in the urban areas but not in rural areas. People of backward areas do not know what is actually human right. What does it mean? Does the right imply to their right to vote, to their right to education, to their right of health? They do not know. But we, the retired person, should have some duty to educate them, to motivate the government officials to look after their interests. We have with us the people representing MLA. We have with us administrative personnel, SDO. We have with us law, professor of law. They will speak about all of these subjects. With their erudite speech, we will be educated and we shall try in future to educate the backward people who do not attend the seminar, the colorful seminar which is being organized now. So, I hope this seminar will become fruitful only when we are able to disseminate our knowledge to the common people who are actually the victims of human rights, because we are always devoted to preserve our own rights. I have already told you. I must appreciate that the Department of Political Science of this college, in association with the different departments of art, with their endeavor, strong endeavor, have materialized such a seminar. I do appreciate the success of this seminar. I must welcome to all of you. If any thoughtful you feel, please share with us. And once again, hope for success of this seminar. Thank you to all of our participants.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request Honorable Dr. Shorik Kumar Sadhu, Professor, Department of Law, University of Bardhaman, to say a few valuable words.
Honorable President of this seminar, Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable distinguished personalities on dais, Honorable guests, distinguished participants, and my beloved students. At the very outset, I would like to mention that I am really grateful for the organizers of this seminar for warm welcome words. And the seminar for which the discussion will be made for today is in fact a significant issue, and it's an emerging issue, especially in the 21st century. The seminar will be for a conflict between social security and the human rights. Whether there is a conflict or not, that needs to be determined and that needs a discussion. That's why we are assembled here. In this assemblage, we have the distinguished personality, we have the eminent personality, we have the intellectuals from different parts of our country. After a long colonial struggle, we had freed in the year 1947, and 60 years have already elapsed